Okay, hello everybody. Welcome back to Jared and Fear System. My name is Jared, and I'm back. Oh, I've been back since April 1st. Yeah, April 1st. That was when I had my appointment with my therapist, and it went okay, I guess. They want me to stay in control, my therapist and my mom. So, I'm back. I'm here, and I'm ready for my birthday. My birthday is on a Monday, so I'm pretty excited. And if I don't upload a video on Monday, or if I do, then that means that I'm going to be not really upset, but happy, extremely happy. I'm gonna stay up on Sunday till like 12 o'clock, and then I'm just gonna go to sleep. I'll probably stay up. So yeah, can't wait for that. Time is right now 1:48. So I have a couple of more hours left to go to sleep, take a nap, and then wake up. Let it be 12 o'clock on Sunday. And then freaking Monday comes. I'm gonna be excited, and I'm just gonna party. Not really party, because I can't party yet. What I mean by party is like dance or have a group of friends to hang out with and not drink or not do drugs. Yeah. Anyways, but I'm happy. I'm actually genuinely excited because it's my birthday and I get to be 18 years old. Oh yeah. My brother just left. Sorry. But yeah. I get to be 18 years old. 18 years old. I really need to make a video about me, my alter. Because if I do that, actually that's been there. Yeah. It's okay. Hold on, give me a second. I might need to wash my hands now. But anyways, yeah, I'm excited. It is now 1:51 p.m. So hopefully my birthday is gonna go awesome, even though we're indoors. Hopefully it'll go awesome and cool. But yeah, so Jack is no more no more anymore, because me and Mac split back to our normal selves. Oh, yeah. There is no more Jack. No more of what Jack did. No more of what Jack said. There's literally nothing. I don't know what you want me to say or do, but you probably don't want me to say or do anything. But oh, I forgot. I'm so sorry, Lloyd. Hopefully you get today. Hopefully you get tomorrow. I mean, you get tomorrow. Sorry. Anyways, yeah, Jack is no more. It's only Jared, me, Mac is himself now. I'm myself now. We're no longer integrated together. Don't worry. I didn't whisper anything or say anything. If you're thinking that I didn't say anything. Anyways, so yeah, this title's gonna be a very long title. I can tell. I know. And I don't know. I don't edit my videos because I don't know how to edit, but I do know how to add things to each other. So that's gonna take a while. This video is it's gonna take a while to upload. Anyways, to that, sayonara.